Let's go inside and see. Wow. Oh gosh. It's amazing. What have we got here? Troll boogie. Bogey. Putty. Chinese fortune sticks. Decoy detonator. Love putty. Ooh. Skiving snack box. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Look. You get like layers of layers. Oh, what have we got here? Oh, extendable ear. That's what you need. That's so cool. Earphone included. Cool, 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 cool. Cool. Let's just. Ooh, sneaky. Which is connected to the Quidditch supplies shop as well. Amazing. Sweets of all sizes. I know. Yummy. Every flavour beans. Oh, and of course chocolate frogs. Wouldn't be a Harry Potter shop without it. Wonder if you get different. Oh my god, this is a mega supply. Oh, that's a puzzle. Get one of those. Oh my gosh. Oh, sugar plum sweet shop milk chocolate bar. Lollipops. Oh, what have we got in here? You know, all your typical stuff that you would expect. Oh, skull. Cool. What have they got in there? Treats window at the moment. Oh, nice. Really need to get one of these. Probably Dumbledore, to be honest. I need to get one of those before I leave. So, lunchbox, that, keyring. I'm going to see what they had in the window, but we'll have to wait. We've got too much to do. Ooh. Chocolate cauldron. Wow, it's like a cauldron shaped in chocolate. If you can see that properly, but wowsies. What treats have we got today?